Hi friends, this is Gitika here. Welcome to my channel. These days store shelves are out of disinfecting sprays, but no worries. Today I will share with you two options for making disinfecting spray at home. I'm also sharing how I use these sprays in my home to disinfect various surfaces. These sprays are recommended by CDC, that is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. I will give the link in the description box. Check it out. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So in the first option, I need a spray bottle, water and household bleach. So in the spray bottle, I will add 2 cups of water and then I will add 2 teaspoons of bleach. Shake vigorously and this is our disinfecting spray. So in the second option, I'm using rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Choose a product that has at least 70% alcohol content or it won't kill the bacteria and viruses. Now just add alcohol in the spray bottle and I'm adding 10 drops of orange essential oil to it. It is totally optional and that's it. This is our option number 2. So now I'm going to label my sprays so that I know which one has bleach and which one has alcohol, as I use alcohol one for all my electronic devices like cell phones, TV remotes, keyboards. So I'll start by thoroughly cleaning the surface before disinfecting. I'm wiping the surface in S pattern. Then I'll shake my spray thoroughly so that all the ingredients are mixed and I'm spraying it thoroughly. Then I let the spray be there for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then after that I'll wipe the surface with microfiber cloth. Similarly, you can disinfect your kitchen countertops and frequently touched surfaces like doorknobs, handles, light switches, faucets, sinks, toilets, remotes, and keyboards. If you found my video helpful, do subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.